Hi, my name is Nasim Ibrahim. I'm a teacher at Blackburn Central High School. I'm a teacher of design and technology and engineering. So I heard about the BAE project through a company called Create Education. I wanted BCHS to be part of the Inspiring Lancashire programme because I think it's a great opportunity for students to work on project-based learning, especially when they have collaboration and are given a project through reputable companies like BAE. I think it's really important that they understand how industry works, and especially the links between learning in the classroom and learning outside the classroom, because it's always developing.
My name's Lily. I'm at BCHS and I'm in Year 8. I'm learning about 3D printing and making a rocket.
Hello, I'm Zainab and I'm in Year 8 in BCHS. So I want to be like a doctor and use 3D printing to make bones and do operations and stuff.
I have to say the highlights for the students has been actually working on the Inspiring Lancashire project. They were given a brief by BAE, and that actually gave relevance because it gave real life context to what they might be working on and how they would work and how to organise themselves.
My name is Bushra. I'm from Year 8 and I'm from Blackburn Central High School. So today we are learning how to use a new software called Onshape, and we're learning how to make a rocket.
The Inspiring Lancashire project, for me, that was my wow moment. Students who never considered taking up additive manufacturing, even had heard of it, they were thinking about careers in manufacturing, they were thinking about careers in engineering, they were thinking about aspiring careers. They were then taking this home.
Well, I've always wanted to work at BAE Systems. Well, because I've got loads of family members that work there and stuff, and they're all saying it's a good job to have. And I always have been wanting to do designing and things like that. I enjoy engineering because, well, I like designing on computers and stuff. The one thing I'd take away from today is how to make a rocket from Onshape.
I would have to say to BAE, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. So social movement is really, really important for our students to have that access and that opportunity. Sometimes funding is one of the fundamentals within school. Having that belief and that opportunity to give our young to say that you can aspire to this and you can do this. Here is what we are going to do, and here is how we as a big company commit to your learning and your future. I would just say absolute thank you for involving us in this and letting us be a part of it, and not just sitting back, being active in this as well. So thank you very much.
I'd like to say thank you for this opportunity.
And thank you for supporting our school and giving us the opportunity to learn new things.